Brandon here at Slingmods.com, and today we have our highway pegs for the Can-am Ryker. If you purchased a set of our SE Performance floorboards for your Can-am Ryker and wish you could kick your feet up on those longer rides, well now you can thanks to our bolt-on adjustable highway pegs. These highway pegs are offered in black to complement the stealthy look of the Ryker and can be adjusted forward and backward in addition to left and right angle adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune the pegs to your comfort level. The foot pegs are coated with a heavy-duty rubber to dampen vibrations while riding, and the kit comes with all necessary hardware and brackets for straightforward installation. Start by unscrewing these two front screws on your floorboards. So that you can replace them with the new longer screws from the kit, and tighten them down, making sure not to over tighten. Now take the new mounting bracket that corresponds to that side of the bike and slide it onto those two screws like so. Add a washer and nut to both. And then tighten them down just before they're snug so that you can still make minor adjustments later. Next, take that side's corresponding foot peg and line up the two holes on the foot peg arm with the two holes on the bracket and slide in the bigger of the two bolts into the bottom hole and then the smaller of the two bolts into the top hole. Add a washer and nut to each. And then tighten them down just before they're snug so that you can still make little adjustments to the angle later. And repeating that same process for the other side. Then, once the pegs are installed, hop on the bike in your normal riding position and kick your feet up so you can adjust the pegs to where they're most comfortable. Please also be sure that when you set the highway pegs into position, that they do not interfere with your ability to access the brake pedal or the forward reverse lever. Then, once you find the foot peg position that's right for you, go back through and tighten down all your hardware the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. And then add the black rubber caps. So if you want to kick your feet up on those longer rides, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of SE Performance highway pegs for your Ryker. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.